Yahoo is also spinning off its most valuable asset, a 15% stake in Alibaba, worth nearly $40 billion. The move will save Yahoo $16 billion in taxes, but it does raise several questions. What will happen to Yahoo once its biggest prize is no longer a part of its portfolio? Karina Huber has more.
Yahoo's stake in Alibaba will be spun off into a company called SpinCo. CEO Marissa Mayer says the move will save shareholders $16 billion in taxes. Yahoo investors will be given shares of SpinCo based on the size of their stake in Yahoo.
Now, Yahoo is still left with a net $5.7 billion in cash. That's a sizable pile. They can use that to repurchase shares and to fuel acquisitions to try to turn the business around.
For years, Yahoo has struggled. Financial analysts say it was once considered the worst managed company in Silicon Valley.
I knew that the job would be hard.
Marissa Mayer took over as CEO 2.5 years ago, but her performance so far has received mixed opinions.
She's taken a lot of good steps to, bring in the right people, but we're still seeing revenue declining. It declined north of 1% in the last quarter, so the jury is still very much out.
Revenue and earnings fell in the last 3 months of 2014. One bright spot is mobile, where sales jumped 23%. Without Yahoo's stake in Alibaba, which accounts for roughly 85% of its worth, Yahoo is likely to be valued at less than $10 billion, a price that analysts say makes it accessible to private equity firms and other internet companies that might want to buy it. But a lot of that depends on whether Yahoo can turn around its core business, internet search and online ad sales.
I think the best possible outcome would be if a deal was structured where Yahoo Japan went to SoftBank and the core Yahoo business wound up in the hands of private equity, and they could turn the business around outside of the eye of being a public company.
Analysts are saying Yahoo's Alibaba spin-off could also be ripe for a takeover, and many are speculating the buyer could be Alibaba itself, which would have the opportunity to take back the stake it sold to Yahoo a decade ago. Karina Huber, CCTV, New York.